Clean and strong soil produces strong plants, which produce strong ingredients that produce strong supplements, and you got it, that produces strong people.
We manufacture. There's no middle person. The middle people have been cut completely out. We run our own labels. We buy our own raw materials. We import our own bottles. We sanitize them. We make everything here. Most companies don't even touch their products. Most brands play that middleman, middlewoman, where they're in the middle, they're marketing a product, but they're getting it from this company, they're distributing it from this company, it's going to the consumer that they marketed to on social media, but they never see it, they never touch it. They certainly don't ever see a C of A or a raw material or a test or a microbiological test or anything like that. So it's not the easy way to do it, but it is the best way to do it. If you're in this for the long term, if you're in this to make sure that you're buying the right materials, you're buying clean raw materials, you're testing everything properly, you're putting in overages into the formula so the formula has more than what you claim that it has, that the products are clean, that you can slow the machines down so you're not running so fast and having to add excipients and binders and flow agents. You're controlling your world. You're controlling your product and your environment. You're buying from trusted suppliers.
And we purchase our raw materials from all corners of the earth.
And we're controlling every aspect. From the formulation to the manufacturing to the marketing. I think our cleanliness and sanitation in every aspect, from just the facility itself, from the air. We use an ozonator, and it's on a timer. In the evening, when everyone leaves, then the ozonator kicks on and cleans the air. You know, when we talk about compliance is there to keep dishonest people honest. Right?
Yeah.
And when we're already in there for the right reason,
Yeah.
you know, the cleaning supplies we're choosing is healthier cleaning supplies than what's out there.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
We're already doing the stuff, and you know, it's easy to be compliant when you're already in that same mindset. We're testing all the equipment to make sure that there is no bad microbiological contaminants in anything.
Out of all the years that you've been here and that you've been head of manufacturing and that you've basically touched every single batch, every single product, every single formula in some way, shape, or form, have you ever had one swab, one microbe, one microbiological contamination test that's come back negative?
No, just the one I did on purpose, just to make sure the test strips are working
Just to make
correctly.
sure it works.
Yeah.
So you
These
had,
things
but
have
no.
got to not be working. We've never had
Yeah,
a
we've
zero
never had
result.
so you've been so clean that you actually had to test your
Stage of
strip.
failure.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Had to have it intentional.
You're not going to find that in any other manufacturing facility.
We currently have over 300 SOPs, standard operating procedures.
My role of quality is that I then go test every batch when it's finished. And I watch and, hey, how much is that being filled in that capsule? Is that the full amount that we want? Because that has to be there to get us those clinical results. So is that in every capsule? Is that being sealed properly? Is nothing going to get into that?
Yeah.
So we taste it, we try it, we go through all those processes on every single product and every single batch that we run, which is exhausting because we run small batches.
Yeah.
We don't have anything sit on the shelf for very long.
We're going to be seeing a lot of clinical trials in the future about fresh vitamins versus unfresh vitamins and food-based vitamins versus non-food-based. We're at the top of the food chain when it comes to the plant, caring for the plant, respecting the plant, and the freshness of our products and the freshness of our batches. I can say that we've never run a batch over 500 bottles. All of our batches right now to date average around 100 to 120 bottles a batch. Nobody in the entire country is doing that. And that's about as fresh as you get. Customers are getting their products in their hands within 30 days of being made. That's powerful. That's fresh. That's really, really unique.
We are obsessively caring about how it turns out. And I've always said that these are not just supplements. These are not just something we're doing to move a product or to make a buck. this is going to go to my loved ones. This is
Yeah.
going to go to my kids. This is going to go to the people that need it and need a change in their life and have to feel the effect of it.